Welcome to day 2 of clearing off trees. I'm going to set up the GoPro here and get some time-lapse footage for today since we got so much good stuff yesterday. So hope you enjoy. Well, that concludes day 2 of pulling down these trees for our home spot. A couple things happened. Obviously, we smashed a truck and we broke a pin on the excavator. So let me go show you that, and then we'll take a look at the work that was finished today. So the pin that was busted is one of the main ones here. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, right here. Holds the bucket on, so very important. The guy that is running the equipment has gone to get that replacement piece so we can start again tomorrow. So here's the tree that smashed the truck. I had measured it with a stick and came up with 126 foot, but because of the slope down to where I was measuring, it turned out to only be 114 foot tall, so a little bit off, but not too bad. So why did it crush the truck? He dug pretty good here, but apparently he didn't dig quite enough on that side, and it just swung over and landed on the truck. So he wasn't too happy, but it's apparently a very old truck. Okay, so we had pretty well stopped at this tree yesterday. Let's take a look to see all the new work here. So, got several trees down today. And I got all this little stuff cleaned out. This flag was one of the edges of the house, I do believe, because it's a long one. You can see where the other side of the house, just a rough idea of where it's going. So, he's been following the property line still. There's some flags going down here. And so that tree right there is the one that was kind of marking where he's going to stop digging. So, whatever that is, about 50 foot maybe away from that. And then going to cut down the hill pretty good here. So, a lot's been done on the second day. Thank you very much for watching this modular home series. If you live in the western North Carolina area and you're looking to purchase a modular home of your own, I highly recommend you check out Home Crafters. We're pleased with our purchase and they've been real good to us. Also, they have a nice referral program. So mention Seth and Ashley and we'll all get a nice kickback from that. So I will put a link to them in the description for you to check out. If you've enjoyed this video, I highly recommend you click over here or the link in the description to the next part. And as always, remember to push that thumbs up button and subscribe, because lots of videos on the way. Hope to see you there. Bye.